Hello guys, it's Scarlett from Ether. Do you know these garment labels? Are you interested in how it to be made? Today we are glad to introduce a label factory for you. Now we are in the factory of TNK Labels. They mainly produce all kinds of labels and badges for garment. Now let Mrs. Kayla introduce for us. Hello Kayla.
Hello everyone, my name is Kayla. Our TNK factory was running from 2012. Main focus on screen printing, high-precision injection and laser items. We accept ODM and OEM orders. We collaborate with lots of famous brands. We have ERP and CRM systems. Also, we have GIS and architect report. Our company also have ISO certificate. Our service are team service. Our products are mainly used on garments, shoes, bags to show its brand value and add more fancy value.
Kayla, you've mentioned about screen printing, so what's it?
Screen printing technology is to printing colorful logos on kinds of raw material. It can be made shiny, rich, and black.
So what's the high frequency?
High frequency technology is to emboss kinds of logo on fabric or tissue or rubber material. It can be embossed or debossed.
Would you take us to your factory?
Yes, of course. Here is the printing department. It can show how the work is being made. From the film making to final printing, each process needs to be very careful to meet line thickness and color correctly. Mostly, printing technique will combine high-frequency together. Then it can show labels to be more 3D.
Kayla, could you show us more products?
Yes, of course. Let's go our sample room. You can see lots of labels to be shown here. Different techniques and different materials. From printing, typing, weaving, embroidery, and so on.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.